Manufacturing companies today face a tightrope walk, balancing the relentless pressure to cut costs while maintaining product quality and profitability. It's a challenge that seems to multiply daily, especially in a world where quick fixes can be tempting. You know the ones I mean: compromising on quality, downsizing the workforce, or even skimping on materials. But here's the kicker. These shortcuts often lead to long-term repercussions that can haunt a business for years. Think about it: increased product returns, warranty claims, and, worst of all, the loss of valuable customers. So, what's the secret sauce? How do we find a sustainable solution that trims production costs while simultaneously improving overall business efficiency? Enter the world of value analysis. This isn't just a buzzword or a passing trend. It's a systematic approach that dives deep into the functions performed by different parts, materials, or services within the manufacturing process. By meticulously examining these functions, we can unlock the door to optimal efficiency. The ultimate goal? To extract maximum value while incurring minimal costs for essential functions or services, all while ensuring the necessary quality and reliability. Now, let's be clear. Value analysis isn't merely about slashing costs. It's about optimizing the value of every cost component: labor, services, materials, and design, to ensure they contribute proportionately to the intended function. Imagine being able to achieve the desired function or service efficiently while keeping expenses in check. That's the power of value analysis. It's a holistic approach that embraces cost reduction and quality maintenance, driving significant improvements in product quality, business performance, and, yes, profits. But before we dive deeper into how value analysis can transform manufacturing, let's take a moment to understand the common challenges that manufacturers face when it comes to controlling costs. Because, let's be honest, it's a complex task that requires navigating through a minefield of potential pitfalls. First up, we have inefficient production processes. This is a costly conundrum that can impede productivity and lead to higher expenditures for materials, labor, and energy. Picture this: outdated machinery or poorly optimized workflows can slow production down to a crawl, driving up labor cost and wasting precious resources. And when production slows, the quality often takes a hit, leading to returns and tarnishing the brand's reputation. So, how do we overcome this challenge? Process optimization is key. Manufacturers need to invest in advanced technologies and continuously evaluate their production systems through value analysis. By doing so, they can identify bottlenecks and eliminate unnecessary steps, paving the way for smoother, more efficient operations. Next, let's talk about supplier-related problems. These can create a ripple effect of disruption that significantly impacts costs. Late deliveries, quality issues, or unexpected price increases can throw a wrench in the production schedule. Imagine waiting for crucial raw materials only to find out they're delayed. Production lines come to a halt, labor sits idle, and deadlines are missed. It's a nightmare scenario. To mitigate these risks, manufacturers must establish strong relationships with their suppliers. This means conducting thorough due diligence, selecting partners carefully, and maintaining clear communication channels. By proactively managing supplier-related challenges, manufacturers can minimize disruptions and keep costs in check. Then there are the unpredictable market conditions that can send costs spiraling out of control. Sudden shifts in demand, fluctuations in raw material prices, or changes in the global economy can all impact costs significantly. While manufacturers can't control these external factors, they can take proactive steps to mitigate their effects. Staying vigilant and responsive to market trends, diversifying the supplier base, and maintaining agile production capabilities are all strategies that can help manufacturers navigate these uncertainties. And let's not forget about inadequate planning and forecasting. Underestimating expenses for new projects can lead to overspending on materials and labor. Manufacturers need to invest time and resources into comprehensive cost analyses and accurate project estimations. By leveraging historical data and market insights, they can develop realistic budgets and minimize the risk of cost overruns. Now, let's get into the nuts and bolts of value analysis. This systematic and structured approach holds immense potential for manufacturers looking to reduce costs while maintaining or enhancing value. It's a step-by-step process that can lead to actionable insights and cost-saving opportunities. Step 1 is identifying the focus of the analysis. What specific item or area requires evaluation and improvement? It could be a product, a raw material, or a particular process in the production line. The key is to pinpoint where the analysis will have the most impact. Next, we perform a function analysis. This involves thoroughly examining and defining the functions performed by the subject of analysis. What job does it fulfill? By understanding its significance and potential areas for improvement, manufacturers can gain valuable insights. Once we've identified the functions, it's time to evaluate the value associated with each one. This step requires assessing the importance of each function concerning customer requirements and business objectives. Factors like customer satisfaction, performance, reliability, and durability all come into play. By quantifying the value provided by each function, manufacturers can prioritize their efforts on areas with the highest potential for improvement. After evaluating the value, it's time to analyze the costs. This includes assessing direct costs like materials and labor, as well as indirect costs such as maintenance and energy consumption. Understanding these cost drivers allows manufacturers to identify ways to minimize costs without compromising value. Now comes the fun part: brainstorming and generating ideas. This step involves bringing together cross-functional teams to explore innovative solutions, process improvements, and material substitutions. By fostering a collaborative environment, manufacturers can tap into diverse perspectives and unleash creativity to uncover novel cost reduction and value enhancement ideas. Once a range of ideas has been generated, it's time to evaluate and select the most promising options. Consider their potential impact on value delivery and cost reduction. Analyze feasibility, practicality, and potential risks. Prioritize those ideas that align with business goals and have the highest potential for meaningful cost savings. Finally, we implement, monitor, and refine. The selected ideas are put into action, and their effectiveness is closely monitored. Tracking actual cost savings and assessing the impact on value delivery is crucial. Regular evaluations and adjustments ensure continuous improvement. So, how does value analysis unleash the power of cost control? It streamlines processes by helping manufacturers identify inefficiencies in their production operations. By closely examining each step in the manufacturing process, value analysis reveals bottlenecks and outdated technologies that inflate costs. It also optimizes supplier relationships. By evaluating suppliers based on quality, reliability, delivery, and pricing, manufacturers can make informed decisions. This helps them forge strong partnerships with reliable suppliers, reducing the risks associated with supplier-related cost overruns. Adapting to dynamic market conditions is another area where value analysis shines. By evaluating the value proposition of products or services, manufacturers can align their offerings with customer needs. This customer-centric approach empowers them to navigate market fluctuations while optimizing manufacturing costs. And let's not overlook comprehensive cost evaluation and planning. Value analysis provides a framework for evaluating costs and forecasting future expenses, enabling manufacturers to develop accurate cost estimates and allocate resources effectively. In conclusion, value analysis is a powerful tool that can revolutionize cost savings in the manufacturing industry. By systematically evaluating functions and costs while maintaining or enhancing customer value, manufacturers can uncover hidden opportunities for improvement. Streamlining inefficient production processes, addressing supplier issues, and navigating unpredictable market conditions become achievable goals. Embracing value analysis as a continuous practice fosters collaboration among cross-functional teams, driving creativity and problem-solving. The result? Improved profitability, increased customer satisfaction, and sustainable business growth. If you're ready to harness the power of value analysis in your manufacturing operations, now's the time to take action. It's not just about cutting costs, it's about optimizing operations and consistently delivering products that meet or exceed customer expectations. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of cost savings in manufacturing together.